Hi Becca, it's Lane. I'm giving you oral feedback this week because I sliced off the tip of my finger. So typing with this has been a little bit of a challenge, and I knew it would take me a long time. So I just thought I'd give you some oral feedback. So your lesson plan looks good. I really like that you're continuing with the bingo game, but switching out the words. I think that's engaging, and I like the categories seem very appropriate. Summarizing is good. I like the highlighted sections. I like that you're using highlighting, and I assume that you're teaching her kind of how to effectively highlight, so that's great. I love that the consistency of using the highlighters, using the reading codes, just kind of really getting that in her head and making it automatic for her. I think that's a great idea. And if you feel like those strategies, the highlighting and the codes, are kind of sinking in and she's kind of using those and starting to internalize them, then I think that the sticky notes would be a nice addition. So, and summarizing and predicting are always good strategies. I'm glad you're almost done with your Halloween narrative. Are you going to share it with anyone? I'd love to read it. I'll give feedback, or, not feedback, but, comments, or just so that she has an audience for that. I think it's really important that we remember our students' writing should have an audience. So your lesson plan looks good. It sounds like you've got a lot planned for tomorrow and that you're really kind of working with her and on some literacy areas that she needs. Nice job.